Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing these magnetic lashes. Before I get into the main video, I just want to put out a disclaimer that these lashes were sent to me by the seller and I am getting a one-time commission on them. I'll first start off with showing you what's inside the box. Then I'm going to show you how to apply the lashes. I'll do a wear test and at the end I'll review it. As you can see, it comes with 5 pairs of magnetic lashes. I'll be wearing the second one for this video because it seems to have just the right amount of drama for today. It also comes with the magnetic liner and a pair of tweezers. In the instructions that are behind the box, it says to first shake the eyeliner, which I have done, and then I'm going to apply it as I apply my regular eyeliner. The instructions also recommends applying 2 coats of the eyeliner, so that's what I'm gonna do, letting the first coat dry before applying the second coat, obviously. Once the eyeliner is dry, I'm just going to take the lashes and apply it right on top of the eyeliner, and that's it. I find them very easy to apply, especially if this is your first time wearing fake lashes. Now I'm going to take my hair dryer and blow some air on it to see if the eyelashes fly off or if any part of it comes off. Nope, we still good. Alright, so I'll check back in a few hours to see how the liner and the lashes are holding up. By the way, these lashes cost 19 Canadian dollars for a pair of 5 of them. So if you'd like one, I'll leave a link to them in the description box below. Okay, so it's been 5 hours since I put on the lashes and the eyelashes still seem to be on. It's not coming off or anything, and the eyeliner doesn't seem to have smudged either. So I'll check back in at the end of the day now. It is now the end of the day and I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see that the eyelashes are still in place, like it's not coming off from the edges. It still feels really comfortable and the eyeliner hasn't smudged or anything either. Now let's review how accurate the claims on the box are. So it says no adhesive, and yeah, you don't need any adhesive, you just need the eyeliner that it comes with. It's definitely long lasting and easy to apply, and it's waterproof as well. These lashes definitely get a 5-star rating from me. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it or got value out of it, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more health and beauty related videos, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.